Hey guys, you might be wondering, why do I use Scotch tape? Now, one of the reasons I love it is because you can actually see through it, so you know exactly where you're laying down the line. I only recommend Scotch tape on 100% cotton paper because it's thick enough to handle it. And also, when you take your Scotch paper, when you take your tape, don't just use it immediately. Actually put it on your pants so it kind of takes off the stickiness, so it's not completely sticky, and now you're not going to ruin your paper.
You people have been ripping me off.
If you want to be safe, you can put it on your little towel to kind of take the edge off of how sticky it is. Also, I love just peeling the tape. It's so cool to see the really nice crisp line that it leaves. A common mistake that I see people make is they use duct tape.
Is it duct tape or is it duct tape?
And they put it on their arm hair and...
Hey, ouch! My hair!
I'm just joking, I never see that happen.
What the heck are you doing?